Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the coolest products out there. Today, we've got something that's going to change the way you experience golf. It's the best Battle Royale golf game. Whether you're at home or in the backyard, this game will bring some fun, friendly competition to your day. Let's take a closer look at this amazing golf set that's perfect for golfers of all levels. The casual golf game set is the ultimate golf experience, offering a range of game modes that everyone from beginners to experienced players can enjoy. It's a fantastic way to introduce kids to the sport while honing your own skills. With 5 exciting game modes, you can set up this game anywhere, on any flat surface, or even hang the game mat on the wall for an indoor challenge. The beauty of this set is its versatility, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. When you open the box, you'll find everything you need to get started right away. The set includes a 60-inch by 32-inch golf chipping mat, 16 golf balls in 4 colors, 4 stakes for outdoor play, a chipping mat, and a convenient carrying bag. The stakes allow you to turn your backyard into a mini golf course in seconds. All the components are designed for ease of use, so even kids can set it up and enjoy it without hassle. The golf chipping mat itself is high quality, measuring about 9.84 inches by 9.84 inches, making it just the right size for practicing your chip shots. The 16 golf balls ensure everyone can play at once, and they come in 4 colors, so you can easily keep track of each player's shots. And don't worry about losing your balls because the set includes a ball bag to keep everything neat and tidy. The game is as fun as it is competitive. Players aim for the different scoring areas on the mat, trying to earn the most points by landing their chips in the target zones. There's even a center goal that scores the most points, but watch out for the sand traps and water areas. They'll add a bogey to your score. The real challenge lies in trying to get the highest score while avoiding the obstacles on the mat. Setting up the game takes less than a minute. Just unroll the mat, set up the stakes if you're playing outdoors, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for tailgates, BBQs, or family gatherings, and because it's so easy to store, you can take it anywhere. The carrying bag makes it portable, so you can take it with you to the park, the beach, or even a friend's house for some quick fun. So, whether you're looking to practice your golf skills, challenge your friends, or introduce your kids to the game, this golf set has everything you need for hours of fun. The best Battle Royale golf game isn't just about the competition. It's about creating memories with friends and family while enjoying the sport in a whole new way. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product critiques. See you next time on Product Critique.